I'm Bill Moore. I'm the Vice President for UPS Airlines and have the responsibility for aircraft maintenance and engineering. We have 250 airplanes, but 80% of those are Boeing airplanes. We're currently taking delivery of new 767s and 747-8s that we plan to use on primarily our international routes. So if you look at the new deliveries we're taking today of our 767s and 747-8s, they're going to be with us for 30, 40 years to come. So they are the future of our airline, and we are very much dependent upon their capability, capacity, reliability to be able to serve our customers for years to come. You know, it's not an exaggeration to say that UPS airplanes can save lives. Getting life-saving medical equipment and human organs in some cases to our customers. Our 767s can carry as many as 20,000 packages. Our 747-8s can be upwards over 30,000 packages. And when we're buying new airplanes, it means that we have a commitment to our customers that we are going to improve our service to them. It shows them our commitment to improving reliability. We've been long-standing partners with Boeing going on 30 plus years now. We're in this together for the long haul.